Hi, Mr. Flex. How are you?
Yes, I'm doing well. And you? How is going
Uh,
now?
better, but some my health has some issues. That is why uh, today I go to the doctor checkup. And they have some recommended some test for the body testing. So we have to take the test from the laboratory by tomorrow, and then we will check up again on the Thursday.
Yes, I think
Then
it can be good if you can wait until you feel well.
yes, brother. Basically, six classes remaining after that. After that, there are the five classes remaining. So that's why I want to complete this session, and maybe I will postpone or delay the next session for some days due to some health issues I'm facing. Basically, yesterday on the Sunday, I have take the blood sample to the laboratory for the testing, and they have raised some concern regarding the hepatitis C uh, options. So that is why I'm just worried about that. And uh, yesterday, I received the report from the laboratory, and then I'm just worried regarding that issue. So that is why today I go to the senior doctor for the checkup, and they recommend some other test, and then they will decide whether it will present in my blood the symptom of the hepatitis C or not. So that is why I have uh, start class late by 1 hours. Okay,
Okay.
so I think we will.
Sorry to
So
hear
I think we
that.
will start. Uh, okay, no issue, brother. It's the part of life, and we have to run our life within that things. It is a part of life. So I think we will start our lecture. Basically, we have discussed all the things regarding the PVC simulation, like the 3D shading analysis and other things. I have given the assignment to the everyone, but yesterday I think I have sent the file in the group of the SketchUp file, but not yet the received the response from the uh, students. I will wait for the tomorrow because I have extended 1 day for the submissions. So how is going on? I will see. So basically, today I will recall some points remaining in the PVCs. Mostly points are covered in the yesterday lectures, like 2 to 3 days ago, the lecture on the Friday. I have covered all the things of the PVCs, and I hope so that I will give the best of my knowledge to everyone. But the other student have not joined yet. So if you have some concern regarding that, you will raise the concern. Then I will start as per these concerns. If you
Okay.
have some concern, you raise the
Me,
first concern. Yes.
yes, the concern I have is only for the SketchUp because I
Okay.
don't have Scallion, but regarding a PVsyst, I finish
Okay.
my paths
Okay.
and
Okay. I
only
think. I think. Okay.
okay,
Basically,
only. how to save it, where to save it and take it to put it in our group. That's where I have a issue. I don't know if I can
Okay.
show you what I
Uh,
done and
okay. You should share the screen, and I will tell you.
yes, I don't know if you have already my screen.
I can see the screen, but not the PVC. You should show this PVC file.
Are you see it?
Not yet.
Not yet. Now it's okay.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Okay.
This is my assignment. This is I do for 200 kilowatts assignment as two. The orientation I take 12.4. Loss
Okay.
is 0.
No issue. No.
I'm
Okay.
not
No issue.
because we are system.
Okay. Okay.
System is that because you say
Okay.
that 200 is 200
Okay.
AC is mandatory.
Okay.
I take two
Okay.
inverter,
Okay.
sun grow,
Okay.
number
That's
is
it.
2.
Okay. That's it.
That is I have model in series 15, and number of string
Okay.
23.
Okay.
That is okay. And the on detail loss, I take that 29 and muting free. Here I take 1% as loss. I take
Okay.
that 70. Muting I take 0.6. That like what we do. I take 2 here. IM
Okay.
loss is there.
Okay. Okay.
Auxiliary I take to be considered, but I don't put any kilowatts.
Okay.
I don't know if here also is mandatory.
It as per requirement, as per the requirement of the project, it is required or not. For the small
Okay,
scale project, it is not required. For the small scale project, it is not required. So you should
okay.
uncheck that file. You should uncheck. Okay.
Tagging also is there. I use that to
Okay.
be used in simulation.
You should
Availability.
go back, go back, go back. You should put simulation for the year number one. Uh, go up, go up, go up. Parameter in simulation, simulation
Parameter.
year number.
Parameter.
Top,
Oh,
top,
yeah,
top.
on top.
No, no, there. Use in the
Okay,
simulation the parameter. Okay,
yeah,
yes, number one.
number
Yes,
1.
yes. Okay, okay. Put that.
Availability. I consider 2 days for maintenance. The plant must be
Okay,
off for 2 days per year, and
okay,
and that For here, I don't consider. I go to near
Okay.
shardings. I
Mm-hmm.
do perspective is there. That is what I is 15 per sheet. But here is
Okay, okay.
15 only to be there.
Okay, okay.
And
Okay.
I do also a model layout, and I use it for simulation when I calculate.
Mm-hmm.
I have some loss, being loss, and electrical because I see 0.2 for electrical loss. I say that is not a big issue.
Okay, you can
Oh,
add these one, but if you don't want to add these, you can
uh,
skip that option.
okay,
It is not a mandatory requirement.
mandatory.
Not a mandate. Yes.
And I run simulation.
Okay, that's great.
The
You have
the report is there.
actually, yes, yes. Okay, that's great. You have done the simulation. That's great. Now, uh, option is available. Save document as a PDF above one. You can see that.
Y-
No, this one.
Yes,
This save this one. Click on that.
yes, I
Yes,
already
save as
save.
per your.
Let
Okay,
let's put
okay.
2.
Hmm.
Okay.
Now you should send this file to me. And if you want to save the project file, you should save as or export as, and see they will ask the location. Okay,
Uh,
that is the issue you are facing. The saving of the file.
yes, to saving the file. Let's close that. That project. To save this project now.
Okay,
That is a
is this project is already saved. Now you should
y-
click on the project option. You go up
up.
project. Click on that.
Save.
No, 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 no. First save the project. Save the project. This one, save option.
Yes, I save it.
Save. Okay. Click on that. Now you
And
should go to the project.
again,
Project.
yeah.
Yes. Why they are not showing the export option? Save again. This one. This one. This the
Yeah,
variant. You should. No, 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 no.
yeah,
Variant. No, go down. Variant save.
yeah.
Go.
Down.
No, 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 no.
Ah,
No.
this.
This one. This save.
I
Yes.
save it
You can.
as a new.
Okay. Save again. No, 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 no. Just
Yeah.
save this. Save.
Okay.
Now click on the export. Now again, why they are not showing the export option?
That is
Hmm?
but I
But
what I consider, let's do
Yasir,
that. I go,
why
yeah.
they are
I I
why?
I think is go there.
No, 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 no. This is
No.
for the component options. Go
Mm.
back. Yasir, why it is not showing this export option? Any?
In PVC 7.4 and 8.0, the project tab is having the project export option. I don't know why
Okay,
this
please.
variant is not shown.
Click on that.
Export is export. Is not.
Yeah. Yes, they are not.
Uh,
No, no. Yes. I think they have some issue in that. Mhm. Um, you have.
but let's here, for example, when I no I don't know that file.
Yes, yes, this one. This one. Yes,
This one.
this one.
It means if I send it to
Yes.
you, you can open that.
Yes, I can open, and also you should send me these PDF files also.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Because that I take it in. It means it's okay now. If because I afraid if I can send that is not the file you are looking for.
Yes, yes, this one fine. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. I think I'm okay for that part.
Okay. Okay. Yes, Mudassir and Khurram, you have any issue in the PV system?
Sir, I was unable to install the PVC's last day because of some issues in my laptop. I will be trying today, might be tonight, and inshallah I will submit it tomorrow.
Okay, no issue. But if you have some issue because yesterday in the the lectures on the Friday, most of the part I have already added, like the best systems, the orientation, the 3D shading analysis, and that the class I have arranged because it is the last class of the PV system, and I just want that if you have any issue in that class or in the previous classes, you can raise the concern. Then I will explain all these concern in that class. Yes, Khurram, have you any issue? Khurram, okay. We will just recall that the two-day lectures.
Not feeling well, Mr. Aziz. Are you okay?
हाँ ये यस यस है भाई आपको तो पता है वो तबीयत नहीं है ठीक यार ब्रो uh yes guys, most of the things I have already covered in the previous lectures, like the I have explained the orientation, the systems, detail losses, consumption or storage, the horizon losses maybe. Like if you want to add the horizon losses, you can add them as from that file, but it will be like if you have the standard file of the horizon of if you want to export like this one, and but it is not a mandatory requirement, but some of the client has also say us to the to add this losses, and I have already explained the horizon uh, portion, like which they are showing like in the PVC's report. And then the near shading I have already explained. Energy system I have already by the P90, and the grid limitation I have already explained their points. And then in the advanced simulation, if the we have the aging tool option, aging tool option available. Aging tool means that we have to add the add product or the energy number or the PR for the more than 1 year. If you want to add in our simulation, you can just run our simulation and do that.
Sir, can we select the simulation every 5 year or 10 year? Is it suitable?
Yes, it is suitable, but there are some like the metronome files has like the issue. We can't select that for the 5 years. We just like do another options like this one, but metronome files not allowing this for the 5 years. Like if you can do like that, you can. They are not allowing these options for the 5 years.
Okay, mean this is this is with the metronome file or weather file.
Yes, yes, it is metronome file basically.
Mean weather file restricted this.
Yes, weather file restricted this option.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Basically, the other one option that you can see that with the storage system, the simulation should be the continuous. This you can see that we have already added the best system in that. That is why maybe they are not allowing us to on that options.
में रहते हैं अभी ये फुल एडर
One thing I request that can we recall the best setting option?
Okay, okay. You can see the report. You have just added that the 3D shading analysis, and this horizon I have already explained that point. And this is the basically the year of PR and the energy number. for the 30 years. We have added that in the aging tools option. And as per Mr. Yasser issue, we will just recall. This is basically Yasser sir, there are the two options for the best systems. One is the self-consumption option, because when we are going to the best systems, we have to just select the three options: self-consumption, peak shaving, and the grid ice and ice blending. Basically, the best system, it is not the hybrid system we are talking about. It is basically the systems which is a separate one. Like Mr. Jasser, you have seen in our large scale project that when we add the best systems through the PCS uh, options and MV station and separate one, not through the same inverter like the Huawei inverters and the best hybrid inverters. So that is why the purpose of these best systems for one is to for the self consumption, like on the grid they have the some self consumption options like the auxiliary like the TSF um, temporary site facility issues are like other things which are connected with the grids and directly, and they have the self consumption, and we are using that best system for that options. The other one is option the peak shaving. Peak shaving means that we will like they have the some curves, and at the peak level they will like some of the uh, the options like save in the battery system the sun energy like from the solar, and save in the battery for usage of the peak hours. Peak shaving means. So the other purpose is that, and the third one is option the weak grid islanding to stabilize the large grid. So if we select the self-consumption options, we have to just provide the self consumption detail. Like we have the fixed constant self consumption, like we have mentioned that 20 kilowatt hours per year, or we have to mention monthly value, like we have to mention the monthly values, like in that option, the watt hours, the data. And if you have the daily value, you have to put that option in the daily options. Or if you have the probability uh, profile, like you have to add the power from this one and the probability like that one. You have to add that one option, and like again, and the household consumer like graph, you have to daily like monthly household energy requirements, and the door value of the from the CSV RL data. You will upload any files. So we have to put this self consumption like 20 kilowatt hour per year, or we should select this 20 kilowatt load and just press OK. And this best, we have selected the self consumption. They will take the power, the self consumption from the back. Fi- Here is the option of the value, the battery system selection. Like it will be lithium, lead acid, all technical, voltage, capacity, manufacturer, which you want to select. So here is we have selected the Luna battery 16.1 kilowatt hours, 57 by 6 in this one battery. And we have selected the 4 in the series and 7 in the parallel options. Just click on that option. they will automatically add in your systems. Okay. Now, when we will simulate our simulation, you can see you can see that here battery bank self consumption, number of units 21, voltage 230, capacity 1960 ampere hours. Okay. Fixed cost load 20 kilowatt global, 155 megawatt hours per year is the self consumption. Okay. Here you can see these options. Any other
Okay, it's
concerns,
mean
guys?
when sorry,
Okay, 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 okay.
it's mean when we
Go
talk
ahead.
about the large scale BESS projects, that is just
Yes.
for peak shaving or weak grid. That is
Like,
not like
yes.
over hybrid system.
No, no. It just for the grid stabilization. Like in the South Africa regions, we mostly see the project with the best systems, and also the in the Saudi Arabia, we are seeing that the best system are installed. And most of the things like they have the self consumption options with that. Like the in the remote area where no grid is available, the best will be installed with the help of the solar.
So that
Peak
BESS,
shaving for
I think so that BESS is working like the off-grid solar system.
yes, maybe yes the remote will be remotely areas will be off grid system. Like in the large scale project, they will not through the that inverters. I think they will through the separate one for the large scale project. I think as per my understanding. Maybe some inverter available in the market, they will for the large scale, because I have seen the small level inverter for the off grid systems. But mostly the
Like
best
we have
system which is
seen
which
many BESS in the South Africa that have no solar system but just BESS installed with the substation. I think that one is just for
yeah
the
it
peak shaving or the
for the
peak.
yes, yes, for the like the peak shaving or the uh, grid stabilization options. Any other concern, guys?
Yes. The concern is regarding uh, SketchUp with Scalion. That is my issue because I already done something.
Uh, have you checked in the 2025 version?
Yes, I check. I have only I install the let's I don't know if you see my screen there.
Yes, I can see. But the PV syst,
The PVsyst,
yes,
not SketchUp.
yes, SketchUp is opening.
Okay. I already installed, but
Okay,
it can only install 10, 10 module.
Yes, brother. I have already explained that. Basically, this catch-up scallion is available for just 10 PV modules because they have give the limitation from the software, and they have the limitations. They are not providing the free version with the maximum PV module. Now, what will you do? You just make the 10 PV module from the scallion, and then you will copy by himself.
Okay, it means I will put 10 module here and I copy for the number.
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay,
Okay, that is
that
the
was
basically yes. This is the basically the free variant restrictions now. They are not providing the full free version options at that time.
okay. That's what I.
Okay,
Okay, thank
okay,
you.
okay, okay. Yes, Khurram, I think you should check through with 2025. If they are not allowing in 2023, you will check in the 2025. Maybe he will work because in the Flex, Mr. Flex version 2025, they are working. So you should check from these options also. And also, please explain 2D shading analysis. 2D shading analysis.
Me,
No, no, no. Mr. Khurram. Mr. Khurram. Simulation parameter, which one? Which parameter you are talking about? Basically, खुरम ये- आप उर्दू में बात कर सकते हैं, कोई मसला नहीं. Okay, bifacial. Basically, bifacial is the ratio that we get the power from like the rear side of the PV modules with the front side ratio. Basically, it is the ratio of the maximum power we get from the back side to the front side. So it is basically the bifaciality factor. The other one, which portion you are lacking, like you can write down, then I will see what parameter you are talking about, basically. Mostly thing I have covered already, like the height, the other things. Uh, mhm. Okay, bifacial. Any other parameter? Puram, you will send me the message in the group or in the personal chat. I will explain every factor which you are lagging. I will tell you through the voice. Okay. Okay. I think. Okay, yes, Puram. Okay. Uh, I think, guys, we will end of your today class. So we have now left the five lecture regarding the AutoCAD and three regarding the AutoCAD and the last two regarding the full working on the like the for the project based. And if I feel well in the tomorrow lectures, I will send the lecture or send you the link so we will carry our lectures. And if I have some issue, I will convey in the group.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Okay, guys. Okay, Allah Hafiz.